Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your Chime password or can't get in because your login keeps failing? Here's how to reset your Chime password in about 30 seconds without losing any of your account's data. Open the Chime app and on the login screen after entering your email, you reach a screen that asks for your password right below. There, tap the link that says Forgot Password. Chime will send a password reset link to the email address on your account. Go to your inbox, find the email sent by Chime, and then tap Reset Link inside it. This opens a page where you can type your new password. Make it at least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers. Confirm it by tapping it again. And tap Save or Continue. If you do not receive the reset email within a few minutes, check your spam folder. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone number, open the app, go to the verification screen, and then tap Need Help. Then tap Update Phone Number or Update Email. Chime will guide you through identity verification to update your contact information safely before resetting your password. So all you gotta do is go to your login screen, tap Forgot Password, check email for the reset link, create new password, and done. If your contact information changed, use Need Help on the verification screen, and that's it. Subscribe.